Good evening, this is Manjunath. Actually, I left the class yesterday that first main sixth problem, that is rational numbers and their decimal expansions. So, sixth problem is like this: 23 divided by 2 cube 5 square, 2 cube 5 square. So, by seeing only you can tell this is in the form of 2 raised to n into 5 raised to m. So, it is rational and terminating, rational number and terminating. So if we solve this one, 23 by, but I told you have to make the power same. So 2 raised to 3 is there, 5 square is there. This is having the power 2. When it is both numbers also contains, then you have to make the power same. So 5 square is there, you have to make 5 raised to 1 to become 5 raised to 3. Here you multiply 5 raised to 1. So in the numerator you have to multiply by 5. So it will become 23 5 is 115 divided by, this is 2 cube into 5 cube. 2 cube into 5 cube. There is nothing but 115 by 2 cube into 2 into 5. 2 into 5 whole cube. It's nothing but 115 by 1000. So answer is equal to 3 zeros. So 3 numbers. So 0.115. So again I will tell. Problem is like that, 23 by 2 cube into 5 square. By single you can tell that because it is 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m. So it is rational. So it is rational and it is terminating. So when there is 2 and 5 is there, so you make it in the formula 2 into 5. So 2 into 5, but here power is 3, here is 2 is there. So you can't take 2 into 5 raised to 5. So you have to take, first you have to do the power same. So 2 raised to 3 is there, 5 square is there. So multiply by 5. To balance this, you have to multiply by 5. 23 5 is 115. This is 2 cube and this is 5 square is 5 cube. So it is same now. 2 into 5 cube. 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. 10 cube is nothing but 1000. 115. 23 5 is 115. Divided by 1000. 3 zeros are there. So 1, 2, 3. So point become 1, 2, 3.0. Next one. Seventh one. 129 divided by 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 7, 2 raised to 2, 5 raised to 7, 7 raised to 5. So, if you see the problem carefully, see here 129 by 2 raised to n is there, 5 raised to n is there. But this is also contains other factor of 7. So, it should not contain other factors. It contains other prime factor 7. So it is non-terminating decimal expansion. Because why? Because it is contains other factor. 2 is present, 5 is present, but 7 is also there. It should not contain, because it contains other prime factor of 7. So it is non-terminating decimal expansion. Next one. Non-terminating recurring or repeating. So 8th one. 6 by 15 is there. 6 by 15. So first you have to try that 6 by 15 is there. So you have to try it is going into 2 or 5 in the table of 2 or 5. So if you take 2, because you have number is there, it is not coming. So you try for 5 into 3. The both upside number and the downside number should be the co-prime. So 6 is there. You can split it as 2 into 3, because 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number. So you have to split this p by q. P by q is nothing but this one. You have to put it in the co-primes. This is already co-prime, because 5 is there in terms of 5 return. 5 into 3 15. 2 into 3 6. So 3 get cancelled. So answer will be 2 by 5. So it is contains 5 raised to m. So it is terminating decimal expansion. So it is terminating decimal expansion. Then 9th one. 9th problem. 35 by 50. So 35 by 50. So what I told first, it is if it is even if you can try for 2 only, so you can try 2 also 5 also, because you do like this. If you don't know prime factorization, you do 2 2s are 4, 1 to next 1 10 means 2 5s are, then 25 odd number is, so you can take 5 5 5s are, then 5 1. So it is 2 into 5 into 5, so 5 square into 2 raised to 1, here 35. So you have to make it is present now 5, so it is terminating, but you have to factor in terms of powers of 10. So 5 into 2 is there, so 35 5 square. I need 2 raised to 1 is there, I make power same, so 2 raised to 2. So 1 to 2 is present, so you have to multiply by other one 2, so it will become 2 raised to 2. So 35 is written as 5 into 7 divided by 5 square. 5 square is 20, 5 square, and this one 2 square. 5 square and 2 square. Then here you have multiply by 2, no? So you have to multiply by 2, because to make balance you have to here multiply by 2, no? To make power same. So you have to multiply your numerator by 2. Then 5 3 70 35, 35 is 70. 70 by 2 into 5 square. Then 70 by 2 into 5 is 100. 10 square is 100. So 0 0 get cancelled. So 7 by 10 means 7.7. So it is terminating. By seeing only this only, you can tell this is in terminating only, but you have to make the in the power of 10. So 5 square is there, 2 raised to 1 is there. So for make the power same, you have to multiply by 2. So here you multiply by 2, no? To balance this one, so you have to multiply by numerator by 2. So 35 you can write as 5 into 7. 5 into 7 into 2 divided by 5 into 2 is 10, 10 square is 100, and 70 by 100 is 0.7. Last problem. Seventy-seven by 210. So if you don't know the factors, you have to find out like this formula. 210 is equal to, so downside number you have to prime factorization. So 2 2s are 0, because why 0 means 1 is there, so 1 is lesser than 2. So in division 1, if it is remainder is lesser than divisor, then you have to take 0. Then 2 5s are 10. Then 5 is there, so you have to take 5. 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. Then you can take 3. 3 7s are 21. 7 is there. Prime number is there, so take as 7 only. So 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. So this one will become 77 by 2 into 5 into 3 into 7. So by seeing only you can tell it is not terminating. Why? Non-terminating. Repeating. So because 5 and 3 and 7 factors are present. 3 and 7 factors are present. So 77 by 210. So if you don't know the how to factorization, so you have to take in the prime numbers only. 2 1s are 2 0s are 1 means 1 is less than 2, so you have to take 0. Then you have to multiply by 2 into 5 10. Then 5 5 is, so take 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. Then you can take 3 3 7s are 21, so you take 7 1s are 7. So 2 into 5 into 3. 2 raised 2 is there, 5 is there, but it should not contain the factors other than the 2 and 5. So it is containing the factors 3 and 7. So because these 3 and 7 are factors, so it is non-terminating and repeating. Then second main is that what are they given? Write down the decimal expansions of those rational numbers in question 1 above which are the terminating the decimal expansion. So you have to only identify which are the terminating, that I have to write in the second main. So no need of it. Again it is repeating only. Same what you done in the first main, 10 questions. That one they are asking you to write the which are the terminating decimal expansions. Like example, if you take first problem is terminating, so you have to write that one. Next, second one also terminating. Third one, it is not terminating, so you have to leave that one. Next, 15 by 16 that is there, so it is terminating. Then fifth problem, it is non-terminating, and sixth problem is terminating, and seventh problem is non-terminating, and eighth problem is terminating, ninth problem is terminating, and 10th problem is non-terminating. So you have to identify which are the terminating decimal expansions. So by seeing only you can tell that one which is the decimal expansion. Then last main, third main. In that 1, 2, 3 is there. So 1. So first problem is 43 point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, 9. So what they given? The following real numbers have decimal expansion has given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or odd. So if you say seeing only you can tell because it is a terminating. Last number is nothing. Remainder 0 means it is a terminating. So it is terminating. And what they ask is it decide whether they are rational or terminating. Rational number only. Rational number. Because it is in the form of p by q. So what means you can write 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So serialize is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 43 point. So 9 numbers. So 10 raised to 9. This one you can write 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 means 2 raised to 9 and 5 raised to 9. 10 is written as 2 into 5. So 2 raised to 9, 5 raised to 9. So it is present in the form of 2 raised to n and 5 raised to n. So it is terminating and it is a rational number. Next one like this. If you take second problem is 0.12 0 1 2 0 1 2 0 0 1 2 triple 0 1 2 triple 0 1 2 triple 0. So here pattern, if you take 1 2 0 1 2 0, it is not repeating. So 1 2 0 1 2, but here 0 0. So it is continuously is there no number, but it is not repeating. So it is not repeating means it will be irrational number only. That number will be irrational number, and it is non-terminating. Therefore, nothing end for this one. So non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So 0.12012 there, and still it is going on. So it is not in the form of p by q. It is in the form of it is not in the form of p by q, because if you take this number, it is not repeated also. It is not terminating also. It is irrational. So irrational means it is non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. Then last one. Last problem. The given 43.123456789. So they given here bar. So if they give like this 43 point or some more numbers and given the bar means it is non-terminating repeating. So you should understand that it is non-terminating repeating. So it is non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, non-terminating repeating. So what we can do is 4 3 is there, no? 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divided by, you can put in the 10 raised to 9, no? Because 9 numbers are there, so it will come again 10 raised to more numbers only. So you can do like this. 9 numbers are there, no? So you can take 9 4 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 divided by 9 9 9 9 9 999. So 9 numbers are there. So you have to take 10 raised to 9 is there. So you can take 9 numbers 9 only. 39, 39, 39. Then 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Point I have taken because 10 raised to 9 is there. So you have to multiply by both 10 raised to 9. So this will 10 raised to 9 will cancel. This you put as x. You put as x, then x into this one 9 raised to 9 come downside. So 9 you can factors 9 factors is 3 into 3. So 3 is a another factor. So you can write 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is in the form of 3, 3, 3. 3, 3 because 9 factors are 3, 3. So 3 is factor other than 2 and 5. Other than 2 and 5. So it is non-terminating repeating. Non-terminating repeating. So last problem you should understand 43.16489. So if they given bar like this, that means that up to that numbers it is repeating. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you put x equal to because non-terminating. Non-terminating means it is the number should be repeated and it is in the form of PYQ. So it is a rational number. So next 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 10 raised to 9. If you multiply by 10 raised to 9 downside, this 10 raised to 9 will go. And why I have taken here 9 means because 9 numbers are there. So I have taken 9 in the factors of the 9. 9 factors are 3. So I have taken 3 here. 9 factors are 3. It will come in the form of 3, 3. So 3 is not a factor of other than 2 and 5. So it is not terminating, repeating, rational number. It is rational number. Rational number. So this completes the first chapter of the your 10th class, that is real numbers. If you have any doubt in this regarding 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 or irrational numbers or decimal expansions, you can ask me and you can comment in the comment box. So thank you. Please subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, you can share it some more and more to your friends which who are studying in the 10th standard. They can help because it can help them for a lot, because I think many students will face the problem in the mathematics subject only. So I am trying to teach it better way. So thank you.